At Unipipe, growth isn't just a goal, it's who we are. Every day we raise the bar for speed, engineering excellence, and customer support. And behind every order is a team and a process built to deliver the very best. Our dedicated warehouse team works around the clock, ensuring accuracy, speed, and reliability with every order. And here's what really makes us different. In stock and ready to ship in 48 hours or less. Guaranteed. Because waiting isn't part of the plan. We have live phone and chat support with immediate response times and exceptional customer service. And an engineering team on standby that's ready to support you and your customers with courtesy system drawings and takeoffs. Unipipe is the only company capable of producing custom manifolds, giving customers precision, flexibility, and performance they can't get anywhere else. If you're a reseller or distributor, Unipipe has your back. Our in-house marketing team offers co-branded marketing materials, demo kits, countertop displays and signage, apparel, product training, and videos. Whatever it takes to help you sell successfully, we have you covered. And across the country, we're on the move, sharing the aluminum advantage with thousands at industry trade shows. Our sales managers connect face-to-face with potential customers, distributors, and engineers, taking the time to walk them through what makes our system truly exceptional. Each booth is personally designed and tailored for the event, ensuring the Unipipe brand not only stands out, but leaves a lasting impression. We make it easy to promote, easy to stock, and easy to sell. We're powered by our people, driven by our process, and defined by our standard. We are Unipipe.